I'm just about to record for you a short summary of beginners solo slow waltz practice routine number 3. Now this was taught in November 2020. So if you're looking for the full class where we learned new techniques and then built up this routine and you want the full class, you need to head into the video library to the beginners solo slow waltz channel and then look right back in the playlist for 16th of November 2020, not 16th of November 21, there is also a class on there as well. My goodness, there was a lot going on. Now the reason I'm taking this recording now is because it corrupted when I was trying to update all the playlists and I noticed that this one wasn't playing correctly. So this is another effort of me to record it, and obviously I keep notes from all those classes. So I have my little notes list here. There might be one step at the end which I've maybe not written down exactly how it was in the lesson, but this just to give you an idea of something to practice. I know that some of you like to skip through the whole full 1 hour classes and just look at the practice routines. I know that, but that's fine. We're all short of time these days. Right foot was going to step across. I was going to do a little Viennese cross type step and keep it small. Then the second time I repeated it, I was going to make it big and here and extend the arms. Okay? I'm then going to do a right foot back whisk and chassis. This is like a lady's or a follower's step. Whisk and chassis to the other side. I'm going to do a little cross behind now. Cross behind and cross behind, okay? I'm then going to do a little forwards box step on the left. So forwards box and back, and I'm going to add the rotation in. We're adding rotation in by this stage, okay, for routine number 3. So we'll do a few pairs of those until we come around, and then I'm going to do a little whisk, promenade runs, a reverse whisk. I'm going to do lady spin turn footwork, and then according to my notes I did a little cross check behind, I did a little unwind and a curtsy at the end. I can't quite remember that, but according to the notes I did it. I'm also going to show you an extended version of the twinkle. This is going to be coming from our social foxtrot, so I can do a little twinkle here. It's like a couple of fall away whisks and then run into the promenade, okay? But that's optional. Let's go through the whole thing. Here we go. Right check, left check. Make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Back whisk. 1, 2, 3. Chassis. 1, 2 and 3. Back, 2, 3. Back, 2, 3. Forwards on the left, box step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, rotation, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, do it as many times as you need to get around, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now, first version is just one forwards whisk, 1, 2, 3, promenade runs, 1, 2, 3, reverse whisk, 1, 2, 3, spin turn, just the spin turn footwork, followers footwork, 1, 2 and 3. And then I've got cross, curtsy, unwind, curtsy or bow. I think we were just messing about by the end of that in the routine. Guys, I'm sorry if that is just a little bit too fast, but it was something that we recorded, well, it had been 18 months ago, so you know, I'm very sorry if it's a little bit too fast for you, but guys, do look back in the main video library. This was taught in November 2020, and it was beginners solo routine number 3 in our slow waltz section. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.